How to create simple animations in Flutter. We can simply create these simple animations using this package here. The package is inspired by the AnimateDo library, and the package comes with many available options for your animations. To add these simple animations to your Flutter package, first of all, you add the fade in left widget from the package. Next, you add the child property, and to the child property, you add what you would like to animate. Therefore, I have added a simple box widget with a title of left. And once that is saved, we can see that the box had animated from the left on our application. We can also add other types of fading animation. We can add the fading up animation, which will fade downwards, upwards. We can also add the fade in down animation, which animates from top to bottom. And lastly, we can add the fade in right animation, which animates from the right to the left. Sometimes in our application, we may want to add manual triggers to our animations. To do this, you first of all add the ticker provider state mixin to the state of your widget. Next, you add the animation controller. Then you add the bool for is animating and you set it to true. Then in your init state method, you initialize your animation controller variable. After that, in the fade in left widget, you add the animate property and set it to the is animating variable we created earlier. Finally, you add the controller property and set the controller variable we created earlier to the controller returned from the callback. We can also do this same thing for the rest of the animation widgets we created earlier. Finally, we can add a toggle button to the bottom of our screen. Therefore, I have added an elevated button with the label toggle, and in the onPressed method, we have added a set state, and in it, I am toggling the is animating variable we created earlier. And after that, we will set the animation to forward. After I hot restart, we can see that we have added a button, and once this is clicked, we can see that it toggles the animation.